Hi guys, it's your girl Tash. Welcome back to my channel. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. When I don't know, up. So a lot of people don't like the big knot that they get on their box braids. They prefer it without the knots. But then a lot of people complain that their box braids doesn't last as long at the roots when they do it knotless. They find that the natural hair at the roots on its own gets messier much quicker. So in this video, I'm not only going to show you how you can achieve something that looks knotless but isn't actually knotless. I'm also going to show you an easy way to section your triangle parting to create a different look And you will also find that this method comes in very handy for those of you who find it difficult to grip when doing box braids. Each square that I section out, I divide them into 4 sections, which creates my triangle partings. And what's interesting is the mathematics realm that it creates all over the head. So I start my braid off with 3 equal pieces, and you can add more pieces to get your desired thickness. So I fold one piece into 3 sections and I grip that on as if I'm creating just a normal box braid. And once my first piece is secure, I then start to add in the other pieces like feeding braids. And although this is not knotless to begin with, it doesn't have the big knot at the root. And the method I use, whereby I plait the natural hair before starting my box braid, gives it more flexibility, and I can't believe it's not knotless. So I hope that you guys find this technique useful, and if it's something that you wanna try, just drop me a comment and I will make more videos with more ideas like this. This is a method that I've been using for many years now, and I just thought I should make a video in case other people might be interested in this method. I am a person of many unique styles and unusual ideas when it comes to hairdressing. I am an artist in real life with hairdressing skills, and the two combined together helps me to create a unique hairpiece. So if you find my ideas interesting and you love my creativeness, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, because I don't just follow what I see other people doing. I design my own ship to sail on both water and dry land. Yeah. So if you're a person who likes different things and you don't like to follow fashion, you will definitely be getting something unique and different from this channel every week. Whether it's a kid's hairstyle, a men's hairstyle, it will definitely be something that you don't see every day. So please don't forget to tune in every Sunday for a live chat with me, and we can discuss your thoughts and views on this channel. Also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to stay updated with this channel. Last week's hairstyle was a request from my Instagram page actually, of a hairstyle that I did, and someone saw the photograph of the hairstyle I did on my Instagram, and she wanted to achieve it for her daughter. So don't forget to send in your request if there's anything that you want to learn how to do, and I will do my best to make a video tutorial for you. Bye guys, and take care until next time.